Hi and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. S&P 500 price action on Friday appeared to be a bullish breakout. We could see that subsequently the price pulled back and created a corrective pullback to retest 20 and 50 period moving average in 1 hourly time frame. The initial support currently is at the current lows around 2008-2009. Loss of that level could potentially target 2006 as a next logical level of support, which is a really important support on 4-hourly and also daily time frame because it was previously tested on a number of occasions. A loss of 2006 could potentially very quickly target in additional support on the downside at 2000, which is a cluster of these previous lows and highs, and it's also very close to the fib retracement. So let's put the fib on and see how that works. Okay, so that would give us a 50% fib retracement from the swing low to the swing high as well. A loss of 2000 could potentially drop down to 1994, and that would be followed by 1987 as well. But these would be very, very deep retracements and corrective moves. Alternatively, if the current levels hold and the price moves swiftly higher on Monday, the initial resistance on the upside is at 2014 halves, which is 20 period moving average in 1 hourly time frame and also the cluster of these previous highs. A breakout and an hourly close above that level could potentially target 2020 followed by 2022, which is the all-time high. Successful breakthrough 2022 could potentially target 2035 over the medium term as a next upside resistance level. Stochastics are pointing to the oversold on intraday, therefore potentially providing bullish traders with the opportunity to trade the breakout. Let's look at German 30 or DAX index. The price action appears to be very similar to S&P as well. It appears to be a continuation of the bullish uptrend after a considerable amount of time of sideways consolidation, and the price wasn't able to kind of dip any lower. So the levels that I'm keeping an eye on are fairly simply this kind of horizontal here at 97.40. If this does prove to be a corrective pullback and the current levels hold, the initial support is 50 period moving average on 1 hourly at 97.84. A loss of that level and a candle closing below there could potentially very quickly target 97.40, maybe even 97.28, 97.30, which would be a 200 period moving average. So this area here would be a point of interest. Alternatively, any further losses of those levels and further downside could potentially target any of the fib levels as well, which would be around 97 even, followed by 96.50, 96.45. And this 50% nicely corresponds, 50% fib retracement nicely corresponds to this kind of horizontal support as well, and also this moving average. Alternatively, if the price moves higher swiftly and we challenge a first resistance at 98.20, successful breakthrough and a green candle closing above that level could potentially target 98.40, and then from then on we could be moving very close to kind of 98, 90, 99 even. Only a successful breakthrough, a 99, could potentially target 10,000 over a medium to longer term time frame.